One of the things that we're interested in is how people handle the objects of our everyday lives and what we do with them when we're done with them. The outer skin is made from many, many thousands of reused 2-liter soda bottles that are cut to allow the wind to carry the piece.
We're addicted to plastic. Plastics in cameras, in electronics, in computers, in medicine, in our soda bottles, the masks we wear to protect ourselves from the COVID virus. What we're trying to do is recuperate them a little bit from the waste stream and make them from that forgotten object and into a collective object that becomes architecture, but never loses its sense of what it was.
While we were building this, people have come to talk to us and say, we're so glad this is happening. It really means something to us to have art in our city. Our city needs it. So it's really about a change to the city through the Public Art Challenge.